What's up, y'all? I'm going to be showing you how I make 5-minute chili. And not the, the chili, the good old Midwestern chili with some noodles, some sprinkled cheese, some sour cream. So first, let's see the ingredients. So here we have the ingredients. We've got salt, tomato paste, chili powder, 2 sweet onions, some sour cream, 4 tomatoes, corn, shredded cheese, elbow macaroni noodles, some chicken stock, and some good old dark red kidney beans. Now this, you can also do some ground beef. I am going to be doing I don't know if this is vegetarian, we're gonna be doing the meatless version today, mainly because I didn't feel like any meat. I've been eating a lot of steak lately, so I'm gonna do it without meat today. But if I did make it with ground beef, I would brown the meat, I would add chili powder in the meat, and then I would pour it all in with the greases and everything into the chili when you throw it all in the pot. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we need is a good old Midwestern crock pot. Now this has been passed down. I've had it so long that the handle broke off. Now first thing we're gonna do is put our kidney beans into the crock pot. Arm workout, get that bicep. Now, if you're making this with regular size kidney bean cans, I would use about 4 to 6 of the smaller cans. Now we're gonna be adding our corn. Time to set this aside and chop up our vegetables. Now, I like to rough chop my tomatoes because they are gonna cook down. But if you want them smaller, more diced, you can. I just do it real quick, simple chop, get her in there, get her cooked. This is 5-minute chili. We rush things over here. I will not cry chopping this onion. The little trick to get the skin off is cutting a slice and the ends off, and then all you gotta do is peel. And look how easy that was. Perfect. Okay, now that we have all of our vegetables and beans in here, we're going to put in the tomato paste and seasoning and some chicken stock. I might have filled it a little bit too much with kidney beans because now it's really overflowing. My bad. So you can also do this with like canned diced tomatoes. I would probably add another half can of tomato paste if I did that. But also, when you use a lot of canned tomatoes, you get a very metallic taste, which is why I like using fresh tomatoes. It just makes it taste better, I would say. So yeah, we're gonna add the tomato paste. Just 1 little tiny can is all you need. Goes a long way. Okay, now we're going to salt. Get a lot of salt in there. Now for the chili pepper. Chili powder, not pepper. Yeah. And now the chicken stock. So now we're gonna stir this, adjust a bit, probably add a bit more chicken stock. Now, if you were using actual ground beef, if I'm like pouring in the juices and everything, I normally just fill it up with water the rest of the way, and I don't do, but you could use you could use bone broth, you could use chicken stock. I would only use chicken stock if you're not using the beef, but if you're using beef, you could put in the bone broth. I feel like that might be a little bit too much beef flavor, so I would definitely just do the juices from the beef is usually enough. So now that we have this all nice and mixed, seasoned, maybe add a little bit more seasoning. I don't weigh it, I just go. We like it spicy over here. So now that we've stirred this up, I'm going to top it off, plug it in. We're gonna set it to low for 8 hours. This crock pots normally have automatic timers, so once it's done cooking, it will stay all nice and hot and warm. So it's great to do at night, and then you wake up to like yummy chili smell. It's great for like if you have people coming to visit on road trips, if they're getting in at weird hours and they're hungry. That's what my grandma always does. And then when this is done, tomorrow we'll be making the noodles, and then we stick it all in a bowl, put some cheese and some sour cream on top, and it's finished. So let's get this brewing. All right, y'all, our chili finished cooking overnight. And yes, I said it's 5 minutes in the title because basically the prep is 5 minutes, but it does need to cook overnight, but it's super simple. We got our finished product here. I'm so excited to eat this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you would like me to make next down in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.